Aloha to all of you, it's me, Seashell Surf. Aloha to all of you, we're down at Kaua'i Bay. It has been quite normal weather for this time of the year, and it's not this small boat out here, but interestingly enough, we think we may have spotted the Shinkai, or perhaps just a military PT boat. A little bit closer down to the Poipu Beach Park, but obviously a little hard to tell since there's so many military ships and other types of watercraft, ships, cruises, and whatnot that we see around the coast here. Now, this is whale season, and whales have been spotted in Maui. We try to do the whale count here. It's hard to do on days when it's choppy like this, but you want to travel with your trusty binoculars. It's a choppy day.
Let's head out to Lihue to Kaua'i Grove Shopping Center for some lunch. Alright, and as we were at Kaua'i Grove, I came upon this gem of a picture. It says, Oi e Kanaloa Ola. These are you, Kanaloa live. He's the god of the sea. We protect these native species. Isn't it beautiful?
Aloha to all of you, it's me, Seashell Surf, and I have another food review. All right. Our Deli and Bread connection is located in Kaua'i Grove Shopping Center on Kaua'i Highway in Lihue.
At the Kaua'i Grove Shopping Center.
Now, we got the Tunacado, which means it's a tuna salad with avocado, and you have a choice of bread such as white, sourdough, whole wheat, rye perhaps. They got a whole variety over there because they're bakers. And I have layered on here, here's what I got. Tunacado on a roll with Swiss cheese, all the veggies, which are like lettuce, sweet pickles, some sprouts, onion, and honey mustard and mayo. This is just the most flavorful sandwich you can get. Oh, it's also got some bell pepper in there. And I love bell pepper with a tuna fish sandwich. And the avocado is always creamy, a local avocado most likely. And it adds some protein and flavor that's unbeatable. Now let me just explain. The sweet pickle just blends in so well with the tuna salad itself with a little bit of onion and with the sprouts. It's all so good. The buns are made fresh every day. And I have honey mustard and mayo on here. Now you see the tomato gives it the sweetness and some juiciness, just absorbed by the bun, and it just provides that little bit of extra sweetness in the tomato. Nice crunchy local grown greens. And it's just one of my favorite sandwiches on the island. Deli and bread connection at Kaua'i Grove, which are delicious sandwiches that I order. Made fresh here on Kauai at Kaua'i Grove Shopping Center. Down on the old Macy's side of the mall. That would be closest to the highway. That's Kaua'i Highway here in the county seat of Lihue. All right.
Time for a snack at the Surf Shack. It's homemade taro, coconut, and banana muffins. So the staple food of the Hawaiians was kalo. And here we have some poi. That's the corm of the kalo mixed with some water. But actually, all parts of the kalo, the plant, could be eaten. And here we have local bananas. There were over 300 names for bananas, about 150 varieties.
The banana coconut taro muffin over here. And these are just taro and coconut. And they are just too good. That's why there's only 3 left. See them disappear.
I'm gonna heat mine up in the microwave for a really short time. Of course, I'm gonna add some butter. Ooh, the local banana smells so good, and the coconut looks delightful. It's just warm enough to add some chocolate chips that will melt on there. Oh, you know this is delicious. All right. And we have a visitor stopping by the Surf Shack today. It's Papa Peacock, and he's getting back some of his tail feathers.
Have a wonderful weekend. Until we meet again, aloha. Aloha.